Okay, so what is that? Right now class is car. My group is what? Car over here, isn't it? So a class is a group of objects which having a common property. So whatever the group name is there, whatever the class is there, okay, that having to the inside same property or same objects, isn't it? Like, if you can see, suppose I'm taking to the car as a class. Okay, my class is right now what? This car. So car is a group name, and inside we have to the common object or common properties, that is called color, model name, etc. Mean these are the things, or these are the object relevant to your class name, means relevant to your car, isn't it? So car is a, or not, sorry, car not, a class is a group of object which have the common properties, and it is a template or the blueprint from which objects are created. In short, a class is the specifications or the template of an your object. Okay, so if you want to understand much better, let me say that, guys, suppose I want to make one building. Okay, so I can say that a building is a, the building is a class. Okay, so I'm creating over here right now class as a keyword. Keyword means, it's a reserve of words which one we are using for your inside of your programming language, isn't it? So class, then after I can write, suppose, building. Okay, building. Okay, the building spelling, you can understand that. Okay, so I'm creating as a building. Okay, building as a class. So obviously this building having a blueprint, isn't it? Blueprint means it is a data whatever we have inside, isn't it? So a class is a blueprint of an object, means object whatever we have inside, that object is relevant to the class. Right now, take another example also. Suppose I want to take right now as a class, and right now my class name is something, a college. Okay, you can say consider any college, like any college which one you have in the mind. Okay, so right now my class is what? College. And inside of the college, whatever the data I have, or the whatever the object I have, that object is relevant to the college, isn't it? Suppose, what is the college object? We can say faculties, then again we can say fees, then again we can say student, isn't it? So these all are the object which one is having same property related to the college. Okay, so simple, think example over here. Think of the class as a blueprint for a car. Okay, the blueprint define the properties like a colors, make, model, and behavior like a drive, stop, and that any car can have, isn't it? Now, classes, you understand. Classes is what? Class is a group of object which have a common properties, isn't it? Like I said, class is a college, class is a building, class is a car, isn't it? So this is the blueprint. Okay, an object which one we have inside. So second topic is what? Object. Any entities that having a state, a behavior, is known as an object. For example, a chair, pen, table, keyboard, bike, etc. It can be physical or the logical. Okay, so these all are the object. We said that the class name is a car, and car having object that is called color, model, etc. Isn't it? Means my class is a car, my class is a car. Okay, and then the object whatever we have inside, so these are the object, isn't it? Because if you want to put to the real world entity, then what happened? We need to create a class, and inside of the class you can put to the real world object. So over here, if we can focus, we learn to the two things. One is a classes and another is the object. Okay, now let's go to the another thing, encapsulation. Okay, what is the meaning of encapsulation? Encapsulation means think about over here one medicine. You can check one medicine is there. Now, if you can see the medicine, what happened? A medicine is a one kind of, the cover, which one holding a lot of, I can say, to the, units, or I can say it is holding to the, a lot of ingredient. I don't know what we can say for that, but it is kind of, lot of medicines if you have, and if you can mash properly, and if you can putting inside of the capsule, then what happened, the person will be feeling very well, isn't it? Means he will be recover very well, or we can say it is recovering very fast. Think about that I have to the little bit data from over here. I have the little bit data from over here and over here. I have to the four different little bit data. Now what happened, I want to use a particular data. Okay, I want to use a specifically data in the different this object. Like suppose I will be take to the this data little bit, I will be taking this data little bit, I will be taking this data and this data. I will be taking a necessary data, or I will be taking to the little bit data from this thing, and I will be wrapping properly. So what happened, the outside world, or we can say outside environment, will be not disturbing to this data whatever I combine together. So we can say, you can check, encapsulation is the process of wrapping of a data and methods in a single unit. This is, I have to the different, I can say to the boxes. I can take these things from in this box. I will be putting inside of one box, and I will be packed properly. So we can say as a encapsulation. Encapsulation is the process of wrapping of the data and methods in the single unit is called as a encapsulation. In OOPS, data and methods operating on the in OOPS, data and methods are operating on that data are combined together to perform the single unit, and which is referred to as a class. Isn't it? Means basically whenever they are wrapping properly, so wrap purpose they are using to the class. Encapsulation, it is I want to say that encapsulation is what? It is one capsule. It is one capsule. It is a wrapped with a different medicines in the capsule. All medicines in the capsulated inside of the capsule. Means we have to the different means different we have the medicines. That medicines we will take a combine together, and we will wrap inside of the capsule, so it will be protect from outside of environment also, and whatever we want we can get in the single unit. Now let's take one example. Right now think about that we have one college, and that college having a outing, or we can say it's a trip. Now simple, what happened, suppose we have the class are there. Okay, like a one class that is called class A. We have a lot of people in class A. Same we have to the class B people, class C people. Okay, so we have the class A, B, C, and every class is having to the 50 students. So we have the 150 students right now. Now what happened, what we will do, if suppose I want to take whatever the people are coming to the outing, or whatever the people are coming for the trip. So what happened, I will be creating one another class, and that class name I will be declare as a trip, okay, or outing. And I will be call that students who are coming from A, I will be call that students who are coming from B, or who are, we will call that who are coming from C. And I will be wrap properly inside of the capsule using my class, so it will be, we can get all data into the one position. So this is the encapsulation. Now let's see to the abstraction. What is the meaning of abstraction? Abstraction means, now think about that. Abstraction, first understand the definition. Abstraction means hiding a lower level details and exposing only the essential and the relevant details to the user. One example, let me give you. I think so. This is very famous example. Like every YouTube